Here, just want to explain why doing temple point is a very, very difficult, and most people don't understand how to do a proper temple point. Let's analyze these patients who had a transplant in a well-known clinic in Istanbul. So you can see these are the hair that were implanting. These are his natural hair. If you zoom closer on a natural hair, you see that most of the natural hair are 1 and 2 hairs, and the direction of those hair, if we look at the baby hair here as a landmark, a way of showing us, you see that this direction should have been like that, but instead was placed like that. Most of the hair on the temple point goes toward the ears, not away from the ears. This is a mistake. And you can see all along, all the way even closer to the hairline, a lot of doubles and triples. You see, this is a 4 hair closer to the hairline. This is a 3 hair. This is a 3 hair. This is 2. And most of these hair are standing like that, instead of laying like that. So quite important when we do incisions, we look at the baby hairs here. Those are the baby hair. It gives us direction, and we are laying flatter, almost 0 degrees when we're making incisions on the temple point. And we cherry pick the very finest hair. In this patient, if we look at the finest hair, we're gonna find them here and all the way down here in the nape. That's where you take those finer hair and you plant them there. You don't take hair from the back and put them on the temple point, because it looks just bushy and unnatural. So this is it for today in Up with Dr. B.